download Brave browser on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Brave browser on Mac. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the App Store, and over here on the search bar, if I'll search for Brave browser, you can see that it is not available on the App Store. So in order to install the application successfully, just simply come back and open your Google Chrome browser or any other browser. You can also use Safari for that. And on the search bar, just simply search for Brave browser download for Mac. And over here, you will have a bunch of different options. Just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top, which is the Brave's official website. And from there, you have the option to get the Brave in your MacBook as an application. Just simply click on this download link from here. And it says that the entire process is something like this. You need to download the Brave and run the installer and import the settings. So as you can see that the download has been started. Once the download is completed, it will take around 3 minutes. And as soon as the download is completed, all you have to do is just simply follow the on-screen instructions to install the application in your MacBook. And yeah, and after that, you will be able to use it quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to download Brave browser on Mac. I hope you find this video to be helpful.